Roll. Speed. Marker. Action.
Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my husband Steve. Welcome to my channel, Embracing Chaos.
Hi.
You would be happy at a time like this.
Yes, I will.
Alright, as I'm sure you could tell by the title, we are here for another Tag Tuesday.
Did you miss us last week?
Yeah, I had a really bad migraine and a really bad day at work.
Yeah.
Really rough week at work.
Yeah.
Like the first couple of days after Thanksgiving are our busiest days for some reason. And that on top of a migraine, I could barely even drive home from work at the end of the day. Knowing what I was coming home to.
Yeah.
I mean, because my head hurt.
Right. I thought about doing it by myself, but my personalities just don't work together well.
You couldn't find the questions. That's what that was.
You're terrible.
It's true.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
No,
Liar. Okay, guys, who do you believe, me or him? Answer carefully. We already know the answer. All right, anyways, these questions were created by Roy over at Recipes with Roy. And these are birthday tag questions because his birthday was on Sunday the 5th. So happy late, you like how I'm pointing with my sandwich? It is a low point Weight Watchers sandwich, just in case you're wondering.
It's assault with a deadly weapon with that thing.
Anyways, happy late birthday, Roy. I did wish you happy birthday on your birthday, but not in a YouTube video. So happy birthday, Roy. I hope you had a fantastic day. And thank you so very much for tagging us.
Birthday, Roy.
Birthday, Roy.
Birthday.
Oh my God.
Birthday. I wished him a happy birthday.
I know you did. I saw you.
But I'm just going to wish him a birthday today.
Birthday.
Just a birthday.
You just get a birthday wish.
Just a birthday.
Yeah, whatever. Read the question.
All right, question number 1. Birthday cards. Treasured memories or a waste of moolah?
Treasured memories. I use them for scrapbooking and stuff like that.
I think I have some of my birthday cards from when I was younger in my memory box, but I think
I bet your mom does.
Maybe. But we're not going to go there.
Okay, just saying.
I don't think they're a waste of money. I just wish I would have took better care of the ones that I got.
I kept mine in a sticker album.
Aren't you special?
Yes, I am.
Question 2. If you could move your birthday to a holiday, which holiday would you choose? If it's already on a holiday, would you change it to another holiday?
I don't want my birthday on a holiday. I like it right in the middle of the year, June 16th.
I'm fine where mine is. It's after Christmas, but enough buffer zone where people have gotten a paycheck and were able to pay down their credit cards and still have enough money to buy me a present for my birthday.
Who pays off all their Christmas credit in less than a month? I would like to move his birthday to June too, but I'm afraid that would interfere with my gifts. So maybe he could have like a May birthday.
No, I like mine at January 19th. Thank you.
Whatever.
Yeah, it's fine where it's at.
Next.
All right, fine. Question number 3. What is the most memorable birthday gift you have ever received?
Why do you bark it at me like it's supposed to be a gift from you? What am I missing?
I don't know. I'm just trying to put the pressure on you. Pitter patter, let's get at her.
Help me think.
Time's a wasting.
Help me think.
Chocolate.
Chocolate was my most memorable birthday gift. That was a Christmas gift.
Oh.
I don't know. I like all my birthday gifts. I don't have one that I like over another one. I appreciate any gift.
Safe answer.
She likes flowers.
He wouldn't know.
I wasn't.
You brought me a plant.
I brought you a couple things of flowers.
True.
Miss Angel of Death when it comes to plants.
They're supposed to die. They're not in dirt.
She's Mother Mary.
Okay, so I'm going to choose a safe answer, and I really don't have a favorite. I like all the gifts I've gotten for my birthday.
Name one gift you got for your birthday.
I remember the time you forgot my birthday that one year. Remember that?
And then I yelled at you for being on Facebook and It's like, what are you doing now? I'm trying to talk to you. You were like, thanking people for the birthday wishes. That's the one time in all of my 21 years of being alive
I remember what
that
you got me. I
me.
remember what you got me the following year, though, for my birthday.
What?
You got me a pair of those plaid pajama pants I got, and then like a bunch of magic cards.
Probably.
Yep.
Oh no, you're talking about the year I forgot. Like when we moved into
Okay.
I forgot 2 years, and I just told on myself.
Yeah. See.
Well, I forgot longer the first time.
Yeah.
Only like a day.
Almost till like 8 o'clock at night. I would have let it ride too. If she hadn't remembered, I would have just kept on going. It's like I got ammo for the rest of this marriage. This is perfect.
Shut up. Next.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, well.
If you could redo one of your birthdays, which one would it be and why?
I don't really have a birthday that I would want to redo. Can you think of any horrific experiences that I wish I hadn't done?
Not that I can think of the top
I
of my
can't think
head.
of any really bad birthday experiences.
I mean, I don't think Ariana was in the hospital for any of our birthdays.
Definitely not mine, because she doesn't do summer hospitalizations.
No.
But maybe one of yours, but I don't think so.
No, I don't think she was. So I wouldn't. I don't know. I don't really have one I'd want to redo.
I'd redo the year Brendan was born.
Ariana would redo the. She's behind the camera just in case you can hear her, but she would redo the year Brendan was born because he was born December 14th and her birthday was on the 15th of December, 11 years apart. So we didn't get to celebrate her birthday with her because we were in the hospital. So.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
All right, question 5. I like this one.
Oh dear. Now what did I do?
Have you ever forgotten a loved one's birthday or had your birthday forgotten?
Not a loved one's, no. Ooh, burn!
Ooh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I have.
And yes,
But not for very long
I've never forgotten anybody's birthday
that you know of.
that I know of. They never called me out on it, so.
Well,
No
I'm
harm, no
saving
foul.
it for ammo.
Well, there you go. I've remembered every one of your birthdays and every one of our anniversaries.
So,
So,
thank you.
all right.
Okay,
22
now.
and, well, actually 44 and 0.
Yeah, I wouldn't feel bad though, Steve. I didn't even know. I rarely even know how old I am.
That's true.
I didn't know I was 36 until I turned 37. I was very surprised.
Yeah.
That was an embarrassing moment too.
Just a little bit. All right. License branch lady looked at her kind of funny.
It was in front of my whole family.
I know, I'm just teasing.
So how old are you? 36. Then my husband was like, "No, you're 37."
And I could see the calculator just going ballistic in her brain. Just carry the 1 times 4, and multiply
my.
pi. Yeah, he's right. See? Yeah. All right.
No. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
At least I'm happy
Yes.
sometimes.
Sometimes.
Not very often.
No.
Next.
Next. 6. Which would you rather go without? Birthday
You.
cake?
I just assumed I knew what Roy was going to ask.
Anywho, would you rather go without birthday cake or birthday presents?
Well, I like being with my family for my birthday. So as long as that doesn't count as a present, then I will give up the present so I can have my family and then I can eat the cake because I love frosting. And I'm assuming that it's no calorie, point-free cake since we're giving up presents. Yes.
Yeah, and good luck with that.
Don't ruin my dreams. This is why I'm never happy.
I would go without the cake.
Yeah, you would. Wait, that means you want presents.
That's right.
Stingy butt.
I know. Gimme, 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 gimme.
He'll take cash. Here's his address.
P.O. Box. It's down in the description.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right. Have you ever had someone throw you a surprise party, or have you ever thrown one for somebody else?
Oh my gosh. I know somebody's thrown me a surprise party before. What was it?
I don't think we've ever done any surprise parties.
We don't for each other. But I know they surprised me with something sometime.
Maybe
but I
at
can't
work?
remember what it was. No, I doubt
And
that.
decorate your desk and balloons and all that stuff?
Mm-mm.
No.
No, I'm the one that does that to everybody else.
No.
Yeah. I don't remember. I remember somebody surprised me with a party once, but I don't remember what it was. Probably wasn't even a birthday party. So no and no.
No and no for me as well.
We're boring.
Very boring.
We never do nothing.
Mm-mm.
That's why I'm cranky all the time too.
I'd surprise you, but you know your birthdays.
Yep. Constantly getting your dreams ruined. Ruined. Mm-hmm.
Surprise of a lifetime right here. Who knew he was so rotten? His mom probably did, and she didn't tell me. Can't imagine why.
What can I say?
Yeah.
All right, question number 8. Do you know what day of the week you were born on?
No.
Maybe.
If I guessed, would you be able to tell me I was wrong? I'm not going to tell you the year I was born. I've already told you I'm 21. June 16th, 21 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you know that's a lie because I can't do the math to figure out what year it would have been. Dang it!
The year before Bubba, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, year before Bubba. 1999. I was born in 1999, guys.
1999?
No, that's not right.
No.
No, it's
Keep doing the math, honey.
2000. Shut up, Steve. You made me hit myself. This is it. Cutting it out. I know what year my kids were born. I just couldn't subtract a year. I go from 2001 to 1999. I don't want to talk about it.
I'm 539 months old. Just in case anybody's wondering.
He had his calculator open. See, I didn't have mine open. That's why I couldn't subtract a year.
I didn't have my calculator open.
I saw it on your phone.
Nope. I did that all in my little brain.
Little brain. He said it, not me.
Open mouth, insert foot. Okay, question number 9.
Good thing you have small feet.
Back to 8. I think I was born on a Wednesday, if I'm remembering right, but maybe not. Oh well. Number 9. I heard the small feet comment, just in case.
You know what they say about small feet.
Mm-hmm. If you were to have a themed birthday party,
They don't fit a small mouth. Mm-hmm. I heard it on YouTube. I heard it on YouTube.
Shh. I'm reading a question here. People came for answers to the questions, not our whatever you want to call this.
It's chaos. We embrace it.
There's a plug for the channel. All right.
If you didn't know the name of my channel, then surprise.
Let's just get through these last 2 questions.
Just do it. We got to pick up kids. Come on.
All right. If you were to have a themed birthday party, what would it be and why?
A themed birthday party?
And what would it be and why?
It'd be themed as fun. Beatles. I love the Beatles.
It'd be outlays.
Yeah. I'd like a Beatles birthday party with a live band. Beatles impersonators. I'd probably just sit there and cry the whole time. Yeah.
Well, I'm Ringo and I just want to play me drums.
No, you don't cut it.
No.
Your
Fine.
feet are too small. Why do you... I would just sit there and cry. That Hulu TV show for the Beatles came on with that series that they're doing. And as soon as I saw it, I just started bawling my eyes out.
Mm-hmm.
Shocked the heck out of myself and Steve.
Mm-hmm.
I love the Beatles. Love them.
Be fun.
It would be awesome.
Yeah.
And I'd be quiet for a really long time. You guys wouldn't even hardly have to keep an eye on me. All right. What's your birthday theme?
It'd just be movies in general.
Boovies?
Movies.
Oh, movies. You were going to say something else.
Boobies!
I don't think you can say that on YouTube.
I can say boobies on YouTube.
Can you?
Yes. I just can't say. Just beep that out, okay?
You look at you turning red. Oh my gosh, you guys.
It got hot in here. Okay. Yeah, just beep
The
that.
chaoses have taken it to a whole new low.
Yes,
I
we
bet you
did.
didn't think we could lower the bar any more than we already had it.
All right, I'm going to move on to the next question because I'm a little bit hot water right now.
I hope you can calm yourself down.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Ava.
All right.
You want to answer question 10 with us, little creeper? Might
All right.
as well. Ariana's answering from behind the camera. That's Ava.
At least I didn't hit that.
All right.
I have glasses.
It's not a gizzard, it's an Adam's apple. You need a gizzard whacked. Okay, we have a kid waiting for it.
New definition of throat punch. You're going to get gizzard whacked. There we go. You heard it first on Embracing Chaos. All All right? Don't try to copyright it. That's us. That's ours. Gizzard wax.
Stop.
Question 10.
Hurry up before something
one-
else happens.
What one goal... Get it together.
Okay, I'm maturing up. I'm mature. Quick, hurry before it fades.
What one goal would you like to achieve by your next birthday? If your birthday is coming up soon, you can choose your next.
I would like to lose my 50 pounds. Like, that's almost to my goal weight. And I think I could do it because I have until June. Well, I could. And then I could eat my cake. Ava, do you have a goal that you want to reach before your birthday in March?
Never to break up with Michael.
Never to break up with her boyfriend? That's a good goal. I'm not going to break up with my boyfriend either, no matter what you say.
It's a good thing I'm your boyfriend.
True. Not to break up with my husband.
There you go.
Said gizzard crab.
Nobody else would understand me. I don't know why. What's your goal, sir?
Not to be forgetting a whole lot of stuff.
Not to
Oh,
be
we know
forgetting a
that's
whole lot
not
of
gonna
stuff.
Yes,
happen.
that's my goal.
That's not gonna happen.
Write stuff down.
Oh, that'd be nice.
That kind of stuff.
I'm going to start writing stuff down so I can remind you if you forget them. I'm going to help.
Gee, thanks.
We are awesome.
Yes.
Okay.
And that was it. That was question number 10. No bonus question. So
All right, we'll take
that's
it.
what you get.
All right, again, thanks to Roy for tagging us, and happy birthday once again. Ava, you want to close out the video for us? Apparently not. We're just going to work on putting lip gloss in my ear. So, anyways, if you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, we would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys still like us, maybe even just a little bit after these shenanigans. I don't even know. But if you are still here and you're not a member of our YouTube family and you can handle us, good grief, Ava. Please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. It's a little picture of me about right here, or there is a red button underneath this video. It says subscribe. That was very difficult for me to say because I'm highly distracted by the bobblehead behind me. Anyways, guys, we would love the opportunity to get to know you better. And until next time, take a deep breath, recuperate, and we'll be back for more chaos next week. Bye, guys.
Hey.